this circuit we have a potentiometer and our transistor and a motor all in series, or parallel, sorry. And here we have our diode, and we have it connected to a 9-volt battery and the Arduino. So for this program, we're going to be using the map function, and pretty much what that does is we have our lower bound here and our target bound here, and so we want to remap the value from one range to the other. So we're going from the range of the potentiometer to the range of the analog write function. And so we have our serial monitor here, and what this circuit is going to do, or what this program is going to do, is allow us to adjust the speed of the motor, but also slow it down more so than if we just hooked up the motor. And so, as you can see, the values are a little weird. You've got from almost 200 to almost 800 here. And then you can turn the potentiometer and it should work. It should. I don't know why the serial monitor is not working. Hello? Okay, let's try something here. Let's get rid of that and bring it back. There we go. Okay, so that's more what we want. I don't know what was going on that first time. But here it starts to slow down, and I stopped it here, but I could keep going all the way to 0. But you can see here that you've got the lower number here from the analog write function range, and then the higher number from your potentiometer's range. And so I'm gonna get this motor started up again. I have to turn the potentiometer up though. And I have to manually start it, and sometimes like it just stopped right now. So I kind of have to turn it up a little. But even here you see you've got 214 and then 860. And so that's what our map function is doing. Okay, so this is the setup, and the motor here, I turned the potentiometer up, but the motor hasn't started, so I kind of have to like turn it a little, and so it starts. I think I can slow it down more. Oh, it stopped. That's about as slow as I could get it. You can't really see it, but it keeps cutting off. So I kind of have to turn it up to the higher numbers, like the top of its range, so that it's actually running and stays running. But that's the map function.